I want to talk to you today about DUI litigation in the state of Alabama and what it takes to litigate DUI cases. I've already cut several videos describing the process that I suggest that you go through when considering which DUI defense attorney in the state of Alabama that you should hire. And part of that, just to briefly sum up the information that I provided there, you need to have someone who's a member of the National College for DUI Defense. You need to have someone who is certified to administer the same standardized field sobriety test that you were subjected to. You need to have someone who has the necessary staff and the process in place in order to keep you informed and work through the cases with you. Folks, if you call an attorney's office and you can't get anyone on the phone and you can't get anyone to call you back prior to you hiring that attorney, then that's exactly the way it's going to be, or maybe even worse, after you hire that law firm, okay, whether it's an individual lawyer or a firm. So let's make a decision before we hire someone that we're hiring someone that we can get in touch with. It doesn't mean that every time you call an office that you should be able to talk to someone and that you wouldn't have to leave a message. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying, though, is if you call an office for days and days at a time and can't get anybody on the phone, that you probably need to look for a different lawyer. If you call and leave a message and that message is not returned, you probably need to look for another lawyer. That's just the bottom line. So it's important that you go into this with a mindset that you're going to do everything you can to set yourself up in a way to succeed. Okay? If you are going to hire someone that you can't get in touch with, that doesn't have the staff in place that can call you back, that's not setting yourself up for success. That's not a good start to an attorney-client relationship, period. It's very important, and I want you to remember this. No DUI case is unwinnable if you try. But you have to try. There are attorneys out there that will tell you your case is unwinnable. I can't do anything to help you. I don't know what to do. I don't know who to call. I don't know what you should do. You should not hire that attorney if you want to win your case or set yourself up for the best chance of success. No one can guarantee a win on a DUI case. If you fax an attorney documents and that attorney calls you back and says, I found that I can win your case, the AST 60 is not notarized, or the officer misspelled your first name on the UTTC, the ticket, this is a win. That's not a win. It's not going to happen. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Use some common sense, okay? You need to get in front of attorneys who know what they are doing in litigating a DUI, who can talk to you intelligently about the driver's license aspect of a DUI and the criminal aspect of a DUI charge. If you're talking to a DUI lawyer and they tell you there's nothing they can do about your driver's license, you probably need to go somewhere else, because that's not the correct answer. It's very important that you understand how specialized DUI defense is and how important it is that you are represented by competent counsel. It's very important. You can be charged with murder, go to prison, get out of prison, and go to a rental car company and rent a car. You have a DUI conviction on your record? They're not going to rent a car to you. You don't think that DUI will change your life? Try it. It's a big deal. And it's not just that. There are all kinds of other ramifications that come along with a DUI charge that ends in a conviction. It doesn't mean that we can guarantee you that we'll get you a certain result, because we can't. And we would never do that, because it's not right, it's unethical, and we don't know until we get into your case and we work through the case and we work through the issues. We get the discovery. We don't know. It's just like a surgeon before they go in and do surgery. They don't just walk up into an operating room and do surgery. They run tests. They may send you home. They may try a different medicine. They may do lots of different things. They're not just going to go in and start cutting. It's the same way with what we do. We're not just going to go in and walk into court and just try your case. That's not the way the process works, and you shouldn't want it to work that way. It's possible that your case can be resolved by agreement. It's possible that your case needs to be tried. It's possible that your case needs to be appealed to the circuit court of the county where the district or municipal court is located. There are all kinds of issues that come up in DUI cases, and it's very important that you're represented by an attorney that has the necessary training, that has the experience to give you the best chance of success. And you get to define what success is. But I guarantee you, going into court without having looked at anything, planning on just walking in and pleading guilty, that's not success in anybody's book. We get calls from people all the time trying to undo what they did on their own or another attorney has done in the past for them. And those people are hurting. And it's sad because sometimes things can be done, but sometimes it's too late. My name's Joseph Kreps. I'm a DUI defense attorney in Alabama. I've handled thousands of DUI and related traffic cases throughout the state. I can help you. All you have to do is call me to begin the conversation. You can reach me at 866-348-2889. Call me. We'll talk to you about your case. We'll give an honest assessment of the case, go through the process, and tell you what we're going to do to help you. If you don't get us on the first time, leave a message. We'll call you back. We've got enough staff and enough folks in my office that we will be back with you. We can help you. All you have to do is call. You can visit our website, alabamadui-attorney.com. That's the symbol -attorney.com. Call us, 866-348-2889. Thank you very much.